So this is Tito and Belinda Hope, and Tito is 6, nearly 7 years old, and he is the prime example of why we recommend pet insurance. Belinda wisely insured Tito from 8 weeks of age.
When I bought him, he came with insurance. So,
Which is fantastic.
And you could continue that on by choice.
Yeah. So we don't recommend particularly any pet insurance company. We recommend you look into what's right for you and what's right for your dog. But Belinda, could you explain how much pet insurance you've used for Tito?
Absolutely. So Tito's with Pet Cover, and he is a British Bulldog. So he actually had some breathing issues. He struggled to breathe well. Now he breathes a lot better. We've just had a long run at the agility course behind us here. So he's had his nose airways opened up through surgery. He's had his soft palate shortened so he could breathe better, and all of that was covered through his pet insurance. So he's also had ongoing skin sort of allergy issues. So he has an injection every month, which is covered, and it's quite expensive, that injection. He's also on particular tablets, which are daily, and they actually cost about $5 a tablet, and that's also covered with pet insurance.
Yep.
So I think he might be coming up to about $40,000 to $50,000 worth of vet bills that have been 100% covered from pet insurance.
He's had gastric issues.
He's had some gastro issues, yeah. And some little sort of accidents with obstructions, so some little choking incidences where
very scary.
Yeah, quite scary, and that was all covered at the emergency vet, at any vet actually, but yeah, up at the emergency, so that the cost for him to fix him or save him is not a problem because it's covered.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about the expense when you're leaving as well.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so it's great. And Belinda's also just bought 2 new Labrador puppies.
Yes.
And she's just informed me a new French Bulldog puppy.
I have. So they're all insured. So my Labradors are 5 months old now, and they are all covered, just because I've learnt, obviously, that dog insurance is critical for any pet or pet insurance. And then I just bought my younger sister and my mum a French Bulldog, and I've kindly insured him.
Well done.
So they're all insured, so we can sort of, rest peacefully, knowing that if there was any health issues or accidents, they're covered.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they're part of your
critical.
family. Yeah, well, they're part of your family too.
Yeah.
And, yes, vet bills are expensive, but that's because we don't get covered by Medicare by the government like we do for people.
That's right.
And, it costs a lot to operate a veterinary hospital.
Yes.
So to take the stress out of, any emergencies, routine procedures as well.
Yeah, ongoing.
Any ongoing
care.
issues. It just gives you a peace of mind to have that pet insurance, because they're special.
Yes,
and we're very special man. He's a bit of a legend at the clinic too.
And I also should note as well that the pet covers now, they've become a bit more advanced in the sense that you do no gap now.
Yeah.
So a lot of them, it's actually you just pay. So when you're there, you don't have to pay up front. You just pay the actual gap.
The gap
and
only.
most of them cover up to 80% of the bill.
Yeah. But look into what's...
It makes a big difference.
Yeah. Definitely, just look into what's right for you and what's right for your pet. Obviously, Tito being a specific breed, we call them brachycephalic.
Yes.
Straight away, he's going to have, issues with the
his
nose
eyes
surgery,
as
the
well.
eyes as well.
So that's something else that I should note. He had his eyelashes removed.
Yeah, and trachea.
Yes, because they kept going into his eye and then rubbing on his eye and causing eye ulcers. And all of that was actually covered, and that he was probably seeing the eye specialist, Susan, up at BSS and now at King Street. He was seeing her probably once a month in relation to his eye ulcers. But thank goodness he's been good with that with maintenance. It's ongoing maintenance with Tito, to know what he needs when he needs it.
Yeah.
So in a nutshell, he has eye drops, ear drops, feet spray, and tablets that are ongoing for his maintenance and well-being, and that's all actually covered in his pet cover.
Which is brilliant.
Yeah.
You are a lucky man, my friend, a lucky man. But I think Mummy's lucky, quite frankly. Yeah, she's lucky to have you.